Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Abid and I am an English teacher. Dear students, as you know that we are solving the exercise of Unit 1. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. Today we will do option B of grammar portion. As in previous lesson we learned the use of concrete noun and abstract noun. In this lesson we will learn about article. Option B says choose whether each sentence needs an indefinite article a and a definite article the or no article. इंतखाब करें जी हर खाली जगह के अंदर इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल ए एन या फिर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द या फिर कोई आर्टिकल इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा. सो आई शैल एक्सप्लेन व्हाट आर्टिकल इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड व्हाई. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू मस्ट नो व्हाई यू आर चूजिंग एन आर्टिकल. आप एक आर्टिकल का इंतखाब क्यों कर रहे हैं. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस सेज ही आस्क्ड मी डैश वेरी hard question. I have highlighted the part that will explain the reason behind choosing an article. कि एक आर्टिकल जो हम चुन रहे हैं, जिसका इंतखाब कर रहे हैं, उसकी वजह क्या है. So dear students, indefinite article used in the sense of any. अगर इससे हमारी मुराद कोई हो, कोई एक, या फिर इन इट्स ओरिजिनल न्यूमेरिकल सेंस ऑफ वन, या फिर ये अपनी ओरिजिनल सेंस एक यानी कि सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ. अगर वो नाउन सिंगुलर है और काउंटेबल है और वो एक की सेंस दे तो उसके साथ हम इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो रीड द स्टेटमेंट. ही आस्क्ड मी डैश वेरी हार्ड क्वेश्चन. उसने मुझसे बहुत सख्त सवाल पूछा. सो इट इज गिविंग द सेंस ऑफ एनी. कोई एक सख्त सवाल उसने पूछा. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो सिंगुलर प्रॉपर्टी एंड काउंटेबल नाउन. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज indefinite article a. He asked me a very hard question. Next statement says dash question that he asked me was easy. वो सवाल जो उसने मुझसे पूछा वो बहुत मुश्किल था. Here you can see madam, we are getting further information about the question. So definite article is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. जब हम किसी मखसूस चीज़ या इंसान के मुतालिक बात करते हैं और वन ऑलरेडी रेफर टू, या फिर जिसका पहले ही से हवाला दिया जा चुका हो. सो यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन दैट ही आस्क्ड मी, वो सवाल जो उसने मुझसे पूछा. सो दिस इज अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन दैट इज बीइंग रेफर्ड. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द क्वेश्चन, वो सवाल दैट ही आस्क्ड मी जो उसने मुझसे पूछा वॉज इजी. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट statement. It says have you seen dash my scarf. Here the word noun is scarf and it has its own determiner my. So it is impossible to use two determiner with one noun. तो एक ही नाउन के साथ दो डिटर्मिनर नहीं आ सकते. लाइक वी कैन नॉट से दिस इज अ माई बुक. वी वुड से दिस इज अ बुक और वी shall say this is my book. If we mean in the sense of any, then we would say this is a book. If it is my book, then we would I shall say this is my book. I cannot say this is a my book. So in the same way, have you seen my scarf? So no article is required here. No article means have you seen my scarf. Let's move to the next statement. It is could you please pass me dash salt? क्या आप मुझे वो नमक दे देंगे? So definite article is used when it is clear from the context which one we mean. कि जब ये बात वाजे हो कि हमारी मुराद किस चीज़ से है, क्या है. So in that case we use definite article. Means the person who is demanding salt from the other person, he knows what the first person is demanding. So here we are going to use definite article the. Could you please pass me the salt? Let's move to the next statement. It says, is there dash good restaurant around here? If you ponder over, you can see that it is being asked about any restaurant, not a particular one. So it is giving the sense of any. क्या यहाँ आस-पास में कोई अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है? So definitely we are going to use here indefinite article a. Is there a good restaurant? The next statement says dash restaurant that my friend owns. Which restaurant? Which restaurant that my friend owns. वो वाला रेस्टोरेंट जो मेरे दोस्त की मलकियत है. Is very good, वो बहुत अच्छा है. Now we are talking about a particular restaurant. So when we talk about a specific thing or a specific person, we use definite article the. Now reread the same sentence. The restaurant that my friend owns is very good. Ye students, next statement says I have several बहुत सारे good friends. So here we can see good friends, it is a plural noun, so no article is needed. It doesn't mean that plural noun does not take article. Plural noun can take definite article, but if it is a particular one or if it gives some further information about itself, अगर वो इसके मतलब मज़ीद कोई मालूमात दे, like in previous we have read dash restaurant that my friend owns, जो मेरे दोस्त की मलकियत है. So we are getting further information about the restaurant. If here we have got the further information about the friends, so we could have used here definite article, but we are not finding here any further information, so no article is needed here. Or we cannot use because it is plural. No article. Ye students, next is UAE is a beautiful country. UAE is an abbreviation of United Arab Emirates, is a beautiful country. No article is used with the names of the countries, but if the country is made up of different parts of noun, for example USA, UK, UAE, then we use the article the and say the USA, the UK, the UAE. Again, if the country is made up of different parts, or if the name is taken from common nouns, if the name is taken from the common nouns like United Arab Emirates, United States of America, so here we require definite article. The UAE is a beautiful country. Next, I'll see you in dash week. Here we can see week is singular and countable, and when we talk about the time period, like there are 7 days in a week, there are 12 months in a year. In the same way, I'll see you in a week. Next statement, last one is I am on vacation until Monday. Yes students, I am on vacation. Vacation is a word that takes article as well as it does not take article. Means I am on a vacation, I am on vacation. Both are correct. Both versions are used interchangeably. There may be difference in semantics. Semantics में फ़र्क हो सकता है, लेकिन इनके इस्तेमाल के अंदर कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. Vacation is used in America while Britishers use holiday. So I am on vacation, it is also correct. I am on a vacation until Monday, it is also both formats are correct. So what is its use in annual paper? It may appear in the form of objective. There are 4 types of objective. I have explained earlier in the beginning. Here you can see again, here is a sticky note. Once again, the whole portion is here. He asked me a very hard question. The question that he asked me was easy. Have you seen my scarf? So here are 2 sentences in the form of objective and you have to find the correct answer. As we have read, जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा है, he asked me dash very hard question. So here we have 4 options: A, B and C the D 0 article. So according to the rules that we have read and seen, we require indefinite article A. I have several, here we need to give blank dash good friends. So what article is required here? As we have read that good friends is a plural word and it does not require article. If we have further information about friends, then we require definite article, but there is no further information about friends, so we require no article here. So we can highlight the part 0 article or no article. So in this way, objective can appear in annual papers and it also has appeared several times. So you are required to learn it. Take your books. जब आपको पढ़ाया जाता है उस वक्त किताबें लें और जो जो समझाया जाता है उसको वैसे वैसे साथ के साथ फिल करते चले जाएं. उम्मीद है समझ आई होगी. इसके बावजूद अगर आपको कुछ समझ ना आया हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़.